The Oahu real estate market stats for January 2026 have just been released, and the new year is starting off with a steady, balanced market with some clear differences between single-family homes and condos. I'll break it all down coming up next. Aloha and welcome to the Oahu Market Report for January 2026 by Sotheby's International Realty. I'm Scott Startzman with the High Estates team and two-decade Oahu Realtor. I'd like to give a special shout out to Kelly for this month's Market Report video and also say hello to Christian as well. Now let's get into the numbers. The single-family home market opened the year in a very stable position. In January, 194 single-family homes sold, essentially flat compared to the same time last year, showing consistent demand. The median sales price came in at $1,122,500, up slightly year over year, confirming that prices are holding firm. Homes are still moving pretty efficiently with a median of 27 days on market, nearly identical to last January. What's notable is buyer competition. 31% of single-family homes sold at or above the asking price, up from last year, meaning nearly 1 in 3 homes still attracted strong demand when priced correctly. Inventory for single-family homes actually declined over 8% from the same time last year, with 674 homes actively available. For perspective, I always like to reference pre-pandemic levels. In 2019, the lowest month was over 1,600 homes for sale, so inventory today remains significantly restricted. That limited supply continues to support pricing for sellers. On the condo side, the story is different. There were 297 condo sales in January, down about 5% from the same time last year, and condos are taking longer to sell, with a median of 47 days on the market, up from 39 days last year. The median condo price dipped modestly to $529,000, down about 2% from January last year. Buyers clearly have more leverage here as most condo sales are closing below asking price, with only 7% of condos selling above the listing price. Condo inventory continues to rise with 2,210 condos actively available for sale and about 6 months of inventory. This firmly places the condo market in more of a buyer-favored environment, giving buyers more choices, more time, and more negotiating power. One encouraging sign across both markets is pending sales activity. Single-family home contract signings jumped 14% year over year, and condo pending sales increased 5%, which suggests buyer activity picked up as we headed into the new year and could translate into stronger closings in the months ahead. In summary, the single-family home market remains supply-constrained, competitive, and well-supported on pricing, especially for homes that are priced and presented correctly. The condo market, meanwhile, has shifted more towards buyers, offering opportunities that we haven't seen in some time. As always, the market is not the same across every neighborhood, price point, or building, so strategy matters. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing this year, understanding how these numbers apply specifically to you is key. Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Scott Startzman with the High Estates team and Sotheby's International Realty. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more market updates like this. I've also included a link to the full January market report in the description below, and you can always learn more about Oahu's housing market at highestates.com. Aloha and see you next month.